Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Park the Escalade on level ground and set the parking brake. Put the transmission in park. Place wheel chocks on the opposite axle to prevent rolling and use gloves and eye protection. Confirm curb weight and pick a 3-ton floor jack plus 2 3-ton jack stands rated above that weight. Keep a flashlight and a rag nearby. Identify the factory jack points. Pinch welds behind front wheels and in front of rear wheels, not the body panels. Never work alone and keep the key in your pocket so the vehicle cannot move. Position the 3-ton floor jack saddle under the identified pinch weld jack point and center it so the saddle contacts metal, not plastic trim. Pump the jack slowly and watch the vehicle rise. Stop when you have roughly 3 to 4 inches clearance from tire to ground to safely place supports. Slide 2 jack stands under reinforced pinch weld points or frame rails, adjust them to matching heights, and set the stands with positive locking. Lower the jack slowly until the vehicle weight rests fully. When your repair is complete, reinstall lug nuts by hand to keep the wheel aligned and remove any tools from under the vehicle. Use the floor jack to raise the vehicle a fraction of an inch so the jack stands can be removed safely. Retract the jack stands and then lower the Escalade slowly until the tire contacts the ground. Tighten lug nuts to the manufacturer torque specification in a star pattern, and then lower the vehicle fully. Remove wheel chocks and test the parking brake before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.